Hey, it's Franco Ippolito here, back in Half Moon Bay to show you this fantastic end-unit townhome. Boasts 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms. You got to see this. Come on in, take a look. What a perfect office space. This home boasts quartz counters throughout. Don't you love these hardwood floors with natural stains? The primary bedroom includes a 3-piece ensuite. Look at the view from this bedroom. This balcony boasts 133 square feet. Where are you going to find that?